In today's video, I'm doing a bloom technique. I'm working on a 1/4 inch wood heart that is about 12 inches wide. I have my base paint of white house paint mixed with GAC 800, and then my cell activator is Joe Sonia black paint mixed with Australian Floetrol. I'm pouring my colors in small puddles throughout my piece. And I'm just alternating between yellow, orange, a light pink, and light red. The pink and the red look very similar in color while they're wet, but when they're dry there is a slight difference, and those metallics give everything a really nice pop of color once it's all dry. Once I have each of my puddles of color down, I'm taking my black paint and just slowly pooling that on top for my cell activator. And to blow out my colors, I'm going to be using the world's smallest leaf blower. The flow of air is really nice and I find works well for this. It's not too strong and it helps create some really nice cells in all these pieces. Once I had all of my colors blown out, I decided to use a toothpick and run it through all of my bloom designs. It creates a really pretty paisley pattern and helps also pull out some of those colors, and it's just a really nice extra touch to this style of painting. And then once I had that finished, I just spun out my design on my turntable. Since I had so much leftover paint, I also decided to do a set of coasters. I'm doing a very similar design. I'm going to use my pillow base paint, and then I'm going to drop some pools of those colors throughout each of the wood circles. I'm going to blow them out, use my toothpick to swipe through them, and then spin so that I pull out those designs.